lot of kids on bikes up here. What's the top speed on it? Like 60 something?
Like 78.
Back on the light beat. Damn. That's what's up, man. What did he do to his bike?
Spray painted it, but...
Dang. Hey. All right, let's go fast, baby. That's what we came out here to do, is go fast on this bike. Come on, baby. Probably a bad idea. Ow, 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 I'm getting hit by a bunch of debris. All right, well, shit, guys, the EM5 is making a return. And I just noticed there's a big gash right there on my battery. Man, this is a custom-made battery from a morgue. And we had this in the EM22. And if you guys didn't know, I sold the EM22, and now this battery is back in this bad boy. And I took it up and down the street the other day, and I forgot how fun this thing is with the Socian motor, the Socian controller. If you guys didn't know, this is a 72-1000 Socian controller, and it fits up there really good. Now we have a QS10 plug. It's a huge connector. We have 300 amps on this thing. This thing does 80 miles an hour. Go back and watch my other videos. If you guys are new, haven't subscribed here, what are you waiting for? The handlebars are really far forward, if you notice, compared to all the other dirt bikes I have. They're like up here, but that's just because this thing's so fast. So I'm trying to keep my body weight forward. I mean, this thing is a rocket. It's actually geared to go faster top speed than torque-wise. I was looking for my 13-tooth sprocket, and I finally found it the other day. And I want to throw it in here. We just haven't thrown it in here yet. I think right now we have a 14 or a 15 in the front, and we're rocking a 48-tooth in the back. I believe that's what it is. So I want to go down to a 13 in the front so we get a little bit more torque out of it, less top speed. I say we go take it on the main road. Why not? And I was like wondering why the bike feels slow right now. I forgot we're in eco mode. So we got eco, sport, and race mode. Go, go, go. Let's go, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God! Holy crap! God, this thing is, ow, 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 I'm getting hit by a bunch of debris. Oh, I should have a jacket on. Wow, this is horrible. Do not be behind a trailer with no protective clothing on right now. The road we should technically be on is the road over there, but there's no traffic because they're making a brand new road over here. Let's see if we can get this green light though. Oh my God. Wow, hopefully no one hits me. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm going way too fast. Whoa, we locked up the brakes. God dang. Now, that's one thing I noticed about doing the setup on this EM5, and you can do the same setup on the IN10, the Zama, however you want to call it. I don't have one of those. It's exactly the same bike. I don't know how many times I got to say this in my videos. They are the same bike. Same frame, same everything. This battery will fit in. The controller will fit in. Everything will fit in. All right? I don't know how many times I have to say that. But yeah, the brakes need an upgrade. That's the biggest thing I noticed on this bike. The brakes are not okay. I can smell them smoking every single time I get to my house. So I can just imagine flying past people, and then I pull up somewhere and they're just like, man, that guy's bike smells like electrical or something's burning. Because it does, it really does, but it's the brakes at the end of the day. But I can't believe just how fast this thing is. We haven't even really hit the top speed out of this thing yet. I'm a little nervous because I should have actually worn something a little bit like more protective. We can try to hit it right here real quick. Whoa. Man alive, man. Now, my 2TO build, it was only, I think it was like 200 amps, somewhere around there. And it had an upgraded controller and all that kind of fun stuff. However, this doesn't pick up as fast as a 2TO because it's geared for top speed. And I said that already. But I kind of want to get a middle balance of being able to hit a solid, probably like 65 miles an hour, maybe even 70. And I don't know, just having all the torque possible. Let's see. Whoa, let's go. Jeez Louise. I mean, I don't think you need it any faster. 300 amps is a whole lot of power. But I do want just a little bit more torque. Just a little bit more torque off the line to, oh, hey. Oh man, my brakes are shot. I moved hella far before the brakes started working. Wow, that that was sketchy. I think these brakes are, I mean, oh dang, there's a lot of kids on bikes up here. What up? Is everyone racing? What's everyone doing?
Yeah, me and him are about to race.
What's up, guys? What's up, man?
This thing go?
80.
Fuck.
You guys should race.
Yeah, we can race.
Alright.
I have it geared for top speed, not torque, but I mean, it still takes off decent.
80?
Yeah, 80 miles an hour, yeah.
Yeah.
I can gear it down. This is the EM5 with a 300 amp controller.
How much was it?
The bike itself was like $800, and I put about 3,500 or 3,000 into it.
Yeah. What bike is that?
The EM5 Valtinto.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
It's similar to the IN10, the Zama. Yeah. But yeah, we can go ahead. Just let me know when.
Alright. Ready? On go.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. That thing's quick. That thing's fast. What's the top speed on it? Like 60 something?
Like, I think I got to like 78.
Oh, okay. What tri-system battery?
Yeah.
And then is that the?
VTB.
Oh, I never heard of that one. No, that thing's badass, dude.
Yeah, it's just 66-volt battery and then controller and then stock motor.
Okay.
It'll do like 76, 78.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man. I think the fastest I ever got my Sur on was 74.4.
Yeah.
It was like on 300 amps or something like that. Similar to this, but I geared this thing to go faster top speed than take off faster.
Yeah. Yeah, that thing was fast when you were coming to the scene.
Yeah. No, I didn't know this. I didn't even look at it before we were gonna race. I just thought it was stock. I was like, this will give me a good run for the money stock wise until I get up to speed. But yeah, if you give me a head start, we'll try it again. Don't go too far behind me, like just, oh, that car's coming, so we'll do it quick. All right, we'll go on 3, and then you can just go like right after.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. I don't know where he was at. He was somewhere back there. I think the takeoff is what makes the difference. I think you left a little too late.
Cyril, do you have light beat too?
Yeah, it's a light B with, I can't remember, I think it was Lightspeed batteries that I got my 72-volt battery from, and it's really tall. Like, it was way back in the day in 2021.
Yeah, the Lightspeed, yeah.
And and they're not around, I don't think, anymore. And the battery comes like way high, and I just have a strap for it. I don't even have a cover for it. Shit, we'll try it again. We'll try to go more at the same time.
Yeah,
All right.
You should let me ride it.
You want to ride it? All right, who should do it? Should we go like on 3 or something? Or?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah. Who wants to do it? You want to do it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you let off! It's coming around. Still though, that thing still has a little bit more torque. I'd have to change out my gearing to get a little bit more power down low. You want to test it out or what?
Yeah, sure.
I know you'll know how to ride it since you have a fast ass bike already. Back on the light beat. Dang, gotta watch out for traffic over here. It's kind of cool to see the EM5 side by side.
Yeah, this is crazy.
It's nice and smooth. It's not bad. I love the fat wheels on it. It just feels so comfortable riding.
Yeah, it's so smooth.
Yeah, it's not bad. You want to try to ride as long as you don't eat shit?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, put me on a lower mode.
All right. I'm gonna trust you riding it, man. Just try to be careful. I don't really care about my bike. I care about you, going down.
Central.
It's the same thing, full twist throttle. Was that?
How much do you spend on your bike?
Which one?
Your Tudio.
My Tudio?
Yeah.
I don't know how much I spent on the Tudio. Maybe like, I want to say $900 for the kit, and then the battery I think was another $800.
It was 72 volt.
Yeah, it was 72 volt, yeah. What did he do to his bike?
Spray painted it, but...
Dang. He just went right over it?
Yeah.
Wait, what was it, white?
It was like a light baby blue.
Oh, okay. I like this cover right here. I got the orange one, and it didn't come with this cover.
Yeah.
So I was kind of like disappointed when they came out with the orange one and didn't have that. Huh?
You want to ride around with us?
Yeah, where you guys going?
Oh, we're just riding around.
All right. Yeah, I got about a good like 10 minutes to burn.
All right.
I'm down the ride. We'll go wherever. You guys can show me the spots. What?
How many bikes do you got?
Right now, I just sold one today. I think I'm down to like 13 or 14.
How many? Which ones?
A lot. I don't know. There are a bunch of new ones, and some of them are still in the box.
I wasn't even going 40 and it was going faster than that.
What's that thing?
Where at?
What is this?
This is just a guard.
Oh, okay.
Or just this.
I've never seen that.
This is the Ultra brake.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it's from Prickly, so it's the whole kit. It's the Ultra brake, but it comes with the mount for the light beam and stuff.
Oh, okay. All right. Uh-oh. My battery bars say 0. How do I know how much battery I have left? Why does it do that? Well, let's turn it off. Let's turn it back on. Let's see what it says. It's done this before, and it's a little worrying. Okay. I think we're good now. It says 95%. What? Hold on. There we go. All right, had to come to a complete stop. Okay. Should be good to go now. Hey, look at them go, man. Look at them go. Hey, let's go. Damn. That's what's up, man. We were just wheeling earlier today on the Anyland bike, the one that I could automatically wheelie, but I can't do that. That's crazy, man. I was just riding the Any bike, the one that wheelies by itself today earlier. I can't do none of that shit. I can't even put my damn feet on the pegs, even though it automatically wheelies. It's so damn hard. Yeah, bunny hop that thing? Man, that kid's good. I feel like I'm at a LA ride out, but it's just only like 3 people. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting that good ever. Ever. Oh man, it says I'm at 0% again. What is up with that? That's so odd, I don't get that. Hey! All right, let's go fast, baby. That's what we came out here to do, is go fast on this bike. Come on, baby. Woo! Probably shouldn't go that fast because we got a few people with 2TOs back there. We already know a 2TO2 can only go like 42. And I was going like probably 70. And I don't think this thing is accurate. I try to get it as accurate as possible, but I still don't think it's like where it should be, right? Oh, damn, I left everybody. Oh, I feel like an asshole. I feel like an asshole. I'm just gone. I was out of there. I would not be good in group rides because I'm either going to be all the way farthest in the back of the pack to avoid all the issues, or I'm going to be like in front of everybody just hauling ass for no reason. But that's sick, man. That's what I wish I looked like when I was on the Anyland bike. Just doing those all day. I've been sick. Yeah. Oh, hand, no nothing. I think we lost a 2TO. Oh no, 2TO's coming up. Everyone's so divided. That's great. Oh yeah, you got the surround battery on there and everything, so it's not too bad.
It loaded now. Yeah, I've seen you a couple times.
What's that? Oh, the YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Should go race the Mustang. Let's catch up to the Mustang. See if he wants to race. Woohoo! Going pretty fast around the turn. We're passing the Mustang. Way out of here. Adrenaline rush, man, for sure. I'm telling you, man, I'm not good at a group ride. I already left him again. I'm such an asshole. I just can't stop by just wanting to go like fast and just do dumb shit, you know? Woo! Yeah, where they at? I'm waiting for them. Oh yeah, I definitely left them and the Mustang went that way. I don't know if they were happy or impressed or just like, what the hell, dumbfounded. They probably think I'm a little kid on a bike. Oh, no, here he comes. He's hauling ass, doing some wheelies. Dang, dude. Moving. Got to get him a better helmet. My bad. We're not even in the road. Don't turn in front of me. Don't turn in front of me. Thank God. Don't hit me. I worry about that all the time on getting hit. Oh crap, I lost everybody. I probably wasn't even paying attention to where he rode at, but oh damn, all right. I feel like I gotta go back home and get the Anyland bike. Then I can do some wheelies. Yeah, I'm the only one that cannot do that. Hey. Let's go. Oh, you guys do live over here. My girl was saying I saw a bunch of kids leave a neighborhood in the True Marks, and I was like, I don't think they live over here. That's hella funny. All right, I'm gonna get going.
All right.
Yeah, it's good riding with you guys. Yeah, well, we gotta actually like just plan something out where we go ride somewhere.
I followed you on Instagram and then I'll sub to you later.
Okay.
Because my YouTube wasn't working for some reason.
What's your Instagram so I can follow it back?
It's, let me see. I forget.
Because I get a lot of like requests just so I know I'm following the right person. Because I don't follow like every single person that follows me back. Okay. All right.
All right. Yeah.
Cool, man.
All right.
That was fun riding. Fast ass bike, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Fast bike. Surprised me. All right, see you, man. Well, hopefully you guys liked the video while we haul ass through this neighborhood. It was fun, guys, honestly. Like, I enjoyed it. Did not expect all that to happen. Just ran into a few kids and just had an absolute blast. So until next time, guys, be safe out there. Watch the other videos that are on the screen right now if you guys want to see more cool content. And until next time, true OVPs, baby.